Hi guys, we are in Wan Chai station for the guide on how to exit going to Hong Kong immigration. We are now going up to the escalator. The train that I was taking was from Central. So first thing you need to do is look for the escalator. Follow the flood of the people. Just follow the flood of the people exiting. And there's easy guide. So exit A as in apple. Okay, that's the office for the MTR staff. So we are exiting A. It is the same with the exhibition center or convention. Hong Kong immigration is the same. So exit exit. So this is exit A. This is how it looks like here outside. That one is going to Wan Chai Market, exit A3. Now we are going to exit A5, Apple 5. Hindi ako sanay na walang scooter. Hindi ko dinala yung scooter kasi I don't want to drag scooter. Oh, hingal. So we are here, exit A5. That's how it looks like here. A bridge for Hong Kong Convention Center and Immigration. Hingala. So that area is the Southern Stadium. Diyan si Assert Mutya, shout out. Diyan siya nagpi-play ng basketball. Diyan. So we walk faster. Run. Just remember, when you are from Central Station, when you get off the train, exit the train and you just follow the flood of people for exiting, and then after that taking the elevator or escalator. That's the exit already. If you came from Causeway Bay, Tin Hau, North Point, you're from the very bottom. You are from the very bottom of the platform, the very ground. So again, we are here in Wan Chai area on the footbridge going to the immigration. Itutour ko lang kayo. Just show you what's in here. So this is one way. I mean, opposite lane. As you can see, ang init. The weather is a bit cooler, pero I have 2 jackets. Formal ang lola nyo. Parang maka-business meeting ang aatinan. So I have blazer. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. So that's the immigration tower right there. This is the highway. That is the central area, Admiralty and Central bound. And then opposite side is the Causeway Bay Tin Hau, Discovery Bay bound. That area sa unahan, Discovery na yung sa unahan. It's a beautiful blue sky, mga madaman, sir. You know, when you are busy, you don't really have time to look above. It's just because I'm taking video, so now I see the sky. Diba ang ganda? Actually, it's 5 minutes walk lang from the train for me. 5 minutes walk from the train to the immigration. Kapag, if you are familiar, but if you're not familiar, it's gonna take 15 or 10 minutes pag hindi ka familiar. And I will, going to pala, yung if you wanna get or apply for China visa, it's going there. China visa there. You see the road? You see where the taxi goes? The red car, it's the taxi. So that's, you cross that road. If you can see, there's car. That building, the China visa resources thing. But China embassy yata yan dyan. Oh yeah, China embassy. That's the main. I used to apply for agent, but you go down here if you apply for China visa. And Hong Kong Convention Center, they are the same. So I will tour you outside. This area is for convention center, and that area is for the immigration. So itutur ko lang kayo saglit here. And Central Plaza. So there. Kaya hindi ako palaging pumupunta din eh. I'm just here for important moment, important event, or important processing of the paper. So let's see it together kung anong meron. So again, we are already passed by the immigration tower. We are in Central Plaza. I'm not familiar here. This is also way towards the Wan Chai Ferry Pier. Oh yeah, I was just talking and now I can read the sign. You see? Wan Chai Ferry Pier, Renaissance Harbor View Hotel, Convention and Exhibition Center, Central Plaza Office, Lift Lobby. So, diba? So, I didn't know that there's also a sign for Wan Chai Ferry, but I know already where's the Wan Chai Ferry. By the ground. So there is the it's new building mga madam and sir. When I was applying the visa before COVID, that's not the building. Now it's new. Wow. It was ongoing when I applied my last visa. Can you imagine? I applied multi-entry visa and then I never use it because of the COVID. Oh my God, mahal pa naman yun. It was expensive. Can you imagine? Multi-entry China visa. And I did not use because of the COVID. I was not able to travel na. So I applied that one before the COVID thing. And unfortunately, after the application, there's COVID. So yeah, I just waste my money on that part. Wow. I was in the convention center. I cannot remember what event I attended. So this is the Central Plaza, you see. So I just passed here to the convention center. I was in a hurry. I attended some event with a Filipino group. And also I went to Wan Chai Ferry Pier, I think by walk, not here on the ground floor. So dito lang nagtatapos ang ating tour. And I know this area because I was already there and I was already here. We watch firework here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.